Hello everyone, welcome to Industrial Automation channel. So in this tutorial I will show you how to connect Mitsubishi PLC, that is FX5U CPU, to Kepware server or NI OPC server. Okay, so let's start. Open GXWorks3. Okay, we have the PLC model number FX5U. Let's create new project. Select the Mitsubishi model number FX5U. Click OK. The PLC is connected to the laptop through Ethernet cable. Just click OK. So very first thing, we need to do some setting in Ethernet port. So let's go FX5 CPU module parameter, just go to Ethernet port. So to connect any OPC server, we need to have some setting here. So first we will do that setting. Okay, in basic setting we have the PLC IP, that is 192.168.1.15. Two 255.255.255.0. Okay, just go to down. Here you can see external device configuration. Just click on this detail setting. Okay, the window will appear. So here you just need to click here Ethernet device, select SLMP connection module, just drag and drop here. You can see here SLMP module, and just take it here. We will assign the port number. Here you need to just assign port number. We will assign 4001. Remember this port number, we are going to use this port number ahead. Okay, just enter here port and take this SLMP, then close this dialog. Do you want to save? Yes. Now we'll just check once everything is right. Yes, no error found. Click OK. Click here apply. Okay, now we'll go to ladder diagram. We'll just have some code. We'll move D0 into D2, and if M0 is on, then M1 will be on. Okay, we have write just few code here. So what will happen, the D0 value will move into D2, and when M0 is on, then M1 will be on. Just download this in PLC. First we will check the connection test. Okay, we have successfully connected to the PLC. The IP address of this PC is 192.168.1.100. Okay, here just write to PLC. Parameter plus program. Okay, unable to write target file. Okay, first we need to convert this. We'll just compile here. Okay, let's write into PLC. Select parameter plus program. Execute it. The CPU interfacing, yes. Yes to all. Okay, program is downloaded in PLC. We will just restart PLC once. Okay, I have restarted the PLC. Now we will open the OPC server. I have NI OPC server. The Kep server is similar to this. It's very similar. Kep server and NI OPC server. Okay. Previously I have done this, so I will just. Okay. We will create new project here. Just click on new. Same procedure is for Kep server. Yes, update. Okay, click to add channel. Channel 1. You can rename this. Select the driver here, Mitsubishi. Select Mitsubishi Ethernet. Okay, next, network adapter. So this is for your you need to select your PC driver here. This is your PC driver, Ethernet driver, or you can set as a default. Next. Okay, now let's add device. Click to add device. Next. Now here you can see FX5U is not appear here, so we will select Q series. Okay, just select Q series. Next. Now here you need to enter IP address of the PLC, 192.168.1.15 and :255. Remember this thing. You have to enter the IP address here, and ahead of this you just need to give semicolon and enter 255. Next. Here select TCP IP, and here we have to enter 4001, which we have recently given in PLC program. Okay, finish. Now we will add tag here. Just double click here, give the name D0 tag value. Okay, address D0. Just click OK. We'll right click, add new tag. We'll give the name D2 tag value. You can give any number, any name here. We'll give the address D2. Let's take boolean tag, new tag, M2 status. Sorry, we'll take M1 status. Address M1. Click OK. Okay, now we'll just reinitialize this. Go to runtime, reinitialize this. Okay, reinitialize completed. Just click on this quick client. Go to channel 1, device 1. Okay, in this quality, in this column you can see good means communication is established with OPC server. Okay, if there is a bad, then it means the communication is not established with OPC. Okay, so it's showing good, it means we have communicated with PLC and this OPC server. Let's open the PLC program. We'll just check the values. Okay, B0 and M0. Let's go online. Okay, we can see PLC is in run mode. So let's just rearrange window. Okay, so here you can see the D0 value. D0 value is 0, D2 value is 0, and M1 status is 0. So let's just modify these values. Let's move 5 into D0. You can see D0 value is 5. Here D0 value is 5, right? Let's just add here D2. D2 value is 5. Here D2 value is 5. Okay, so just we'll now modify it to 10. Let's make it 10. You can see D0 value is 10, D2 value is also 10. Here D0 value is 10, D2 value is 10. Let's modify the M0 value. M0 value we'll just modify it to 1. M0 is true. Here the value is 1. In this way we have connected OPC server to Mitsubishi PLC. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share our channel. Thank you.